1. 114 MiG final exam questions, and answers 100% pass. What is the primary difference between MiG and TIG welding? Heavy checkmark, MiG welding uses a continuously fed wire as an electrode, while TIG welding uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode. How does the choice of shielding gas impact the appearance of the weld? Different shielding gases can affect the color, bead shape, and overall quality of the weld. What does the term travel speed refer to in MiG welding? AOE. Travel speed refers to the speed at which the welder moves the welding torch along the joint. How can improper joint preparation affect MiG welding results? AOE. Poor joint preparation can lead to incomplete fusion and weak welds. What is the purpose of back purging in MiG welding? AOE. Back purging helps to protect the backside of the weld from contamination when welding. Materials like stainless steel. 1/3. 2. How do different types of metal affect MiG welding parameters? AOE. Different metals require adjustments in voltage, amperage, and gas mixture for optimal welding. What is the effect of a too long arc length during MiG welding? AOE. A too long arc length can result in poor penetration and a wider weld bead. What safety equipment is essential for MiG welding? AOE. Essential safety equipment includes a welding helmet, gloves, and flame-resistant clothing. How does ambient temperature influence MiG welding? AOE. Higher ambient temperatures can affect the cooling rate of the weld, potentially altering its properties. What is the typical range for gas flow rates in MiG welding? AOE. Typical gas flow rates range from 15 to 25 cubic feet per hour, CFH. 2/3. 3. Why is it important to use clean filler wire in MiG welding? AOE. Using clean filler wire prevents contamination and improves weld quality. What is the main purpose of the welding gun nozzle? AOE. The welding gun nozzle directs shielding gas over the weld pool to protect it from contamination. What might excessive heat input during welding cause? AOE. Excessive heat input can lead to warping and distortion of the base metal. How can the angle of the welding torch affect the weld? AOE. The torch angle can influence penetration, bead shape, and the overall weld appearance. What is the ideal position for MiG welding flat plates? AOE. The ideal position for welding flat plates is usually at a 90-degree angle to the surface for optimal penetration. What does the term burn through mean in MiG welding? Powered by TCPDF, www.tcpdf.org. 3/3.